Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hide online status on Instagram. First, open Instagram and go to your profile, tap the menu, then select Settings. Next, tap Privacy, choose Activity Status, and toggle off the switch to stop showing when you are active. Remember, this only hides your activity status and won't prevent seen receipts on messages. Follow each step slowly on your device to make sure the change saves properly. Open the Instagram app, confirm it's updated, then head to Profile and the menu icon. Choose Settings, tap Privacy, and select Activity Status. Turn the Activity Status toggle off so others can't see when you're online. Close and reopen the app to confirm the settings saved. This method is fast and reversible, and you can re-enable visibility anytime if you want to show when you're active again to specific contacts. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great while you take privacy breaks between scrolling. It's a small, fun upgrade for your commute. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Hiding your activity status is handy, but it has limits you should know. When you turn it off, you won't see other people's online status either, and message seen receipts can still reveal activity. Combine this setting with message controls, close friends, or muting threads to manage visibility. If privacy is critical, consider a secondary account or strict follower lists to reduce unwanted attention while keeping normal interactions with trusted contacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.